Here's a great deal on a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.